ones we're gonna plant. Or we're gonna let them grow and then we're gonna plant them. Right, Mom?
Yeah.
Oh my, this one's huge. Why is this one so big? Oh, it's not that big.
Wow. Lots and lots and lots of potatoes.
That is big. Whoa.
Wow,
Mom.
that's the big one right there. That thing is huge. Look at that.
It's an egg.
I know. That
I'm
thing
gonna
is
try to find
huge.
a bigger one. I want to plant that one next. Ugh. Oh man, this thing's big. Just kidding. I want to eat this in soup. Oh, that one's big. Mom, these ones are big. Mom, look at these
Jeez.
two.
So many.
Mom, look at these two.
Those are huge.
You guys know, we could dig over there and see. Oh, it's a tiny one here. Guys, did you know there's roots under here? Like full on under? I found a peanut. That's all I've ever seen. You guys look. I found
Wow.
I
We've
found
already got
another
so many.
potato. I found it.
Oh. Okay, start your pile here.
Doing those potato barrels. Oh yeah, remember that video? I didn't even know you were doing this. No, remember how you were looking into the video camera, like, and you're like, you're like that. That was cute and cool, but we gotten so old that we're not cute anymore, but we still are.
You guys go deep. Okay. Been finding them pretty deep.
Yeah, mine's like this deep. I've been digging this deep, and I found like a lot.
Oh yeah.
Whoa! Oh yeah. This is like a pantry of them. There's rocks in this. Whoa! I found like 5 of them. And I
one right
can't
there?
them up.
Oh, that's a big one.
Mom,
Mom.
I need help.
Oh yeah.
Like, hey, no, use my stick. Just be careful. No, I mean like all of them are.
Dig around it. Let me see.
Got it. Big one. It's stuck to the roof. Whoa.
Oh,
And
wow.
another one be.
Mom, look how much I found.
Oh, I don't want to hold up all the plants.
Oh, yeah, it's the big one.
These
Oh,
are
my goodness.
like 2 of them like
Well,
plated.
Try
on
to
each
dig
other
around.
and
Don't
dug.
dig right there, but dig past it, like a couple inches past it.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing, and it's still very hard. Like it weighs like 100 pounds. And I'm trying to dig over here, and it's just like plated on each other.
Oh, my goodness.
See, this is what I mean.
Oh,
There's like 3 of them like stuck to each other.
wow. That's a big.
Yeah, I know that's wow, that's a big one. Oh, I found a baby worm that's so bad.
A baby worm that's fat? I don't know about
I
that.
found another. Yeah.
What? No, you didn't dig that area. Oh, yeah, that's the new pitchfork.
Oh
Yeah, that's the new one. We have an old one.
Well, this is the only one I found.
Huh. I think that's the one. No, not now. We gotta
We
keep.
gotta continue getting it all
This is the biggest. No, this one I found.
melting off of my face.
Melting? Does it actually like dry? Oh, there's a root right here. We could just let it out the sand and. Yes.
Oh. Jeez. You guys missed a bunch.
Hi, Mom. What is
Oh my goodness. Okay.
42.8. 42.
Oh, so dark. There we go. Oh no.
Here, Noah. Whoa, Noah, what are you doing?
Oh, you're trying to get ahead.
Trying to get a head start on us
I know.
before all the work begins?
Whose bucket? Whose bucket?
Mine.
Oh yeah, no, I already see like 6 potatoes in there.
Oh,
No,
penalty.
Maybe 4.
Penalty. Here, I'll
I
wait
know.
a couple of seconds.
There you go, Daniel.
I'll
Thank
wait
you.
30
No,
seconds.
what? You go over there. I go over
You
here.
have a penalty. You lost it.
Okay.
Potatoes.
Are you gonna start? You gonna start the timer? Or
Timer.
on your mark?
Set, go.
Set, go.
It's kind of hard.
I know.
Yeah, big one.
There's also.
Got
You guys want
Oh, you
any
guys.
gloves? Wow, that is huge.
Okay, stop showing off. Get more potatoes. I have like 8.
Me too.
Really? No, not plus the 6.
Okay.
Oh, you guys, what is going on with those huge potatoes? Well, we did make kind of huge potatoes last time. Okay, I just found another one. These are massive potatoes. Well, for me at least. Me too. Not for you guys. Good one. Potato. Oh, I have potato. I'm just in this one section and I already got like, I don't know, 12. Jack on. Now this is what I call a huge one.
Oh, that is a big one.
This is what I call a big one, Mom. Nice.
Oh, little baby ones.
Yep. Those we're gonna. Whoa. This is purple. I got the purple side. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is huge. I'm gonna start digging in the middle-ish.
Pretty big, aren't they? I don't think we've earlier seen that big much, you know?
What is going on with these jackpot potatoes? There's potatoes literally everywhere.
Yes, get them. Get them, get them.
Oh, this one's huge.
That'd be pretty awesome if we could outdo last year's.
If we do, I'll do last after I do. I do. Whoa, huge. Okay, this is huge. Dude, stop flinging stuff at me. Alright, you have a penalty. You may not dig for 5 or 10 seconds. Nope. That's what a penalty is. You're denying it. Yeah, I'm coming over to your side. Or on my side. Oh, man. Really, pop, pop, pop. Steal it, steal it. Potato. Potato. Small one, but okay. Oh, oh, I buried him. No, no, no. Mama, I was doing this. I was like, no, no. My hand actually buried it. I was like, oh. And buried him. I picked
Oh, I know. You go underneath.
Whoa, there's like a hole here. Mom, there's like a hole here.
Put your finger in there and then rip it apart.
All right, now I'm talking. Yeah, my bad. You found one, Daniel. No, I didn't.
Good one.
I'm just digging in your ear area.
Really?
Yeah,
This one?
because of the vine.
There's another one right here.
Because because of that.
As soon as you like break the surface, you just go under.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta have strokes first.
It is so hard. Found one. These are mine.
No way.
Can't give it away.
Hey! Yeah. Mom's been throwing some of her potatoes in mine.
What?
Yeah, a couple.
No.
I saw you when I was playing.
Really? I don't think so.
Really? You put dirt in that area. I'm
Well,
trying.
you are barely doing anything over there, Daniel.
Sure, yeah, I'm digging.
Not making very much progress.
Whoever wins
Gets the s'more.
gets
First
a
s'more
s'more.
for me.
gets a s'more
S'more
without
what?
cooking it.
S'more potatoes for
And
dinner?
whoever loses has to cook the s'more for the winner.
I don't want you to cook a s'more for me, Daniel.
We're not.
You cook it very badly.
Ooh, Noah, lucky you. Oh, thank you, Noah.
No! Oh yeah, I slingshotted one over here. That was like a huge one. Come on. Come on. Come on. I wonder why this here. Nope. There's like a dozen right here.
Oh, Daniel, your bucket's so small. What's been going on?
I can't find any potatoes.
How? Everyone else has full buckets except for you.
I don't know. Because I can't find any potatoes. I just told you.
Not bad, Daniel. Not bad.
But I'm finding huge potatoes, that's all.
Yeah. Daniel's more quality over quantity. You know?
Oh, yeah.
I want the biggest potatoes over as how much potatoes. I want a big
finger.
Feel this one. That finger.
Oh my.
That's dirt. Dude, that's
scale, Noah?
all filled with dirt. Look
When
at
you
it.
mean room, you mean
Dot.
bathroom.
No, well, there's one in the other room, but I don't know. Maybe not.
That one works too. In the other bathroom,
The
Noah.
log scale is a little better for weighing all the food.
These potato ones are really hard to see. Oh, see, still not even a good shot. They're hard to see because it's like they match the soil so well.
The purple ones?
Yes. They kind of look like just dark rocks, but they're not. Now look at this, babe.
Oh, nice. Set to 0. Okay. Now it's zeroed out. Now we can set the tote on the ground and
Outside.
put all the potatoes in.
Okay. Okay, so Daniel's bucket, potatoes.
And just wait.
Each separately?
No, we're not going to do that. We're going to weigh them all together.
Noah's bucket.
Hey, that's your bucket, Noah?
That is huge. I think that's actually way heavier than mine. put it on the thing so that at least we can lift it, or should we just lift it on it?
We'll lift it on after we fill it up.
Okay.
It's kind of unstable if you leave it there.
Oh
and
yeah,
fill it
that's
up.
true. Okay. Here's my bucket, which is actually lighter than Noah's for some reason.
Yeah. And Pops, this is super heavy.
Mm-hmm.
That's my bucket. Oh, who wants to guess how much that weighs?
15.36 pounds.
30
You're
feet.
not gonna guess?
I'm gonna say 80.
80?
250.
Yeah.
What do you say, Daniel?
253.
90 pounds.
90 pounds? No, you say 253? 253?
Yeah.
All right.
What do you say, babe?
I'm gonna say, hold on.
Hey.
I'm gonna say 125.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, Daniel, put it up on the
Yeah.
scale. You wanna help me, Daniel? Can you do half? Lift it up. A little bit higher. A little bit higher.
Now down.
Ooh, I was too high.
Oh, so it's about 90,
It's 90 pounds.
95, 97, 96, something like that.
Yes, I won.
How much did you guess?
90. It was
Ooh,
close.
yeah.
I know.
Nice.
What did I say, like 80 or something?
Yeah, you said 80.
Yeah.
So would be in the 80 zone.
That's
At
pretty
least
cool.
mine's in a 90 zone, so I
That's
won.
not bad.
So what was it? 96, 97 plus the 42 we got in the backyard
Oh yeah.
that we don't have in here. We already started canning it, and we haven't even touched the barrels
Yeah,
yet.
we gotta do barrels too.
Yeah.
120 pounds. Here you go.
Got it?
There we go.
Wow.
My potato. My bucket.
Like right away.
My potato. So far, I got the biggest one right now.
Good job, Daniel.
Hey, this one's mine now.
Potato skin.
Oh yeah. That was probably the starter potato.
Good thing this is not hard dirt. It's like moist dirt.
Yep.
A lot better.
Doesn't feel like a lot, you know?
No.
Oh, okay.
Also,
That's fine. Oh no, that's again.
I think that's it. Here, Daniel, I'll give you my potato.
What potato?
This one.
Want to see how much I have?
Not bad. Why don't you go show
Yeah.
the camera?
Well, no, I think. That's a lot. Don't put that in your garbage. I'll put it in the area first.
Okay, that's barrel number 1. Not much. Oh. Okay, Noah. Here's a bucket for you.
Watch your hands, Noah.
Okay?
Here, let me get
Do
it.
it. Yeah, I need help. Woo!
What? Should we take the camera?
We got a good one. Nice big one. No, I don't see. Oh, a lot. Oh my goodness. Big ones in here, Mom.
Oh, good.
And there's paper.
That's newspaper so it doesn't fall through the cracks at the bottom.
That very. That one.
Grab it. Yes, grab it. That's big enough.
Like a super tiny one. Nice.
All I'm finding is dirt potatoes. You know, round dirt balls, but I keep thinking it's a potato.
There you go, Noah.
What is that one? A rock?
Look at that one.
Daniel, did you dig right here?
Not very much.
Not that much, huh?
But I'll add it together. It might be a lot. It's not
That's barrel number 2. That's barrel number 2. Oh.
hit.
The big A?
The big hit.
Oh, the big hit.
Yeah, of hitting me.
Nice.
Aw, man.
Here's a little baby one. This is the one that I had leftover potatoes, and they were sprouting, so I threw them in here. And then for each little eyelet, I ended up throwing a potato in and buried it, you know? So they could come out the
You
sides.
guys ready for more?
Yep. Oh, wow. It's pretty good.
My potatoes.
Okay, you guys ready for more?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Pretty good.
My potatoes. Pretty good. Dude, you getting mine? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Throw one.
Good. I can put in any one I want. Oh. There's some gold in here in the volcano there. Gold chops. Thanks.
Oh, every little bit, try to get out, you guys. Just in case we use this stuff for garden beds next year. I don't want too many volunteer potatoes coming up.
Yeah, it's starting to get
That's barrel number 3. Pretty good, I guess. Alright, clean up time. Barrel, you guys ready?
Yep.
Go for it.
Now you want to help?
Got it, dude. Can we get that part, Daniel?
Ooh.
Yeah, this is the purple potato
Purples.
barrels.
A lot. Like when I mean a lot, I mean like a lot. I think we should go for another dump.
What's wrong, Noah?
You hot?
It's hot.
I know.
I think that's what
Why we're
caused
doing
it.
this now and not later.
You guys ready for exercise after this?
Uh-oh. No.
Ooh, look at this one.
Oh, yeah.
Big one. Let me crawl in
You want me to
there.
dump it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was going to think about harvesting those ones potatoes in that garden bed with the corn and beans. But then when I looked at it, the corn is like right over the mound of potatoes.
Uh-huh.
So I was like, I guess we'll have to harvest those ones later. So yeah, I guess not that much, huh? So it's zeroed out, and we're gonna put all 4 of them in there.
Okay, we're gonna see.
Okay, go ahead and put it in, you guys.
Okay.
Put them in the bucket.
Ma. In the bucket.
Oh yeah, let's not drop them.
Putting them all in the bucket.
Yeah.
Put them all.
They're just so small amounts, I don't want to individually do it, you know?
Yeah. Get tired, Noah?
It's so hot, Mom. I like it.
Whoa, look into the bucket, Mom. It's like
Rainbow color.
not too much.
Not too much. It's like a family-sized
This
potatoes.
is like one meal for us.
Yeah. This is like.
Oh yeah, it's 82 right now in Marysville.
Okay. Yeah, see, it's super small.
15 pounds.
15 pounds. A little bit over 15 pounds, but still.
Like 17 pounds.
All right.